In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an event in Google Calendar. If you're following along on a computer, this is a quick process, but it's important to pay attention to what you're selecting so you don't remove the wrong calendar by mistake. We'll be working from the main Google Calendar screen, and everything you need will be found in the left-hand panel and the settings area. To begin, open Google Calendar on your computer. Once the page loads, look over to the left side of the screen where your calendars are listed. This section usually shows the calendars connected to your account, including any personal or shared calendars you have access to. Take a moment here to identify the exact calendar you want to remove, especially if you have more than one with similar names. Next, move your cursor over the name of that calendar. When you hover over it, additional options will appear. Click the Options menu, which is shown as 3 dots next to the calendar name. This menu gives you actions related to that specific calendar, so it's the quickest way to access its settings. From that menu, choose Settings and Sharing. This will open a more detailed page for that calendar, where you can manage everything from permissions to notifications and visibility. Since there are several sections on this page, you may need to scroll down a bit to reach the area we need. Keep scrolling until you find the section labeled Remove Calendar. This is the area used when you want to permanently remove that calendar from your account. Once you're there, click Delete. Before you confirm anything, make sure you've selected the correct calendar. Deleting a calendar can remove all of the events stored in it, so it's worth taking one extra second to double-check the name. If this is a shared or secondary calendar, the wording on the screen may vary slightly, but the Remove Calendar section is still the place to look. After you click Delete, follow any confirmation prompts that appear on screen. Once confirmed, the calendar will be removed, and the events inside it will no longer appear in your Google Calendar view. And that's it. That's how to delete an event in Google Calendar by removing the calendar it belongs to. If you're trying to clean up old schedules or get rid of a calendar you no longer use, this method keeps things simple and direct.